Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here for the first time then welcome. My name is Trina-Louise and over here on this channel we do all things plus size fashion and beauty. Now I'm here today with another subscription box unboxing. It is that time of the month where they all come in very quickly. In fact, I had 3 of the 5 I subscribe to or get given come in one day. So the beginning of the month is usually quite subscription box heavy just because that's when they come. But today it is the turn of Birchbox, which you already knew because of the title. I always forget that. Now I'm really excited to have Birchbox so quickly, so early in the month. It's the 4th of July when I'm filming this, because I got mine super late last month because Birchbox has had some delays to their deliveries with everything that's going on in the world, but they did email us and say that they were getting back on track. I don't get given Birchbox, I'm just a regular Birchbox customer, and I got mine on the 4th of July, so hopefully that is a sign of things to come. Obviously completely understand why they've had problems, but it's also really exciting that they're getting back on track again. So before we delve into the box, in case you are new to Birchbox, Birchbox is a beauty subscription box. It comes each month, and it comes filled with beauty, hair care, body care, skincare products, and it costs £12.95 a month, and that includes your shipping. And as with all these boxes, you can upgrade to various subscription packages such as 3 and 6 months, which gives you a discount. I do have I've got a discount code before. I think it below. I think it gets you like £5 off your first box, and I think I just get like a little money off in the shop voucher. So if you want to use that and get a bit of a discount, I will leave that down below. But before we open it, I just want to take a minute to look at how gorgeous this packaging is. Birchbox is always a draw in comparison to the other ones that are usually boxes, but I just think the colours are absolutely stunning, and yeah, this will be another one that I'm keeping for sure. I'm having to get picky about which ones I keep and which ones I recycle because obviously I get 4 or 5 different subscription boxes a month. I can't keep them all, but I always either reuse them or recycle them, but I think this one might have to be a keeper. So let's get on with the video and see what's inside. So let's open her up and have a look. We always get a little leaflet inside that gives us information about the products, and it usually gives us a little August sneak peek, well, or a sneak peek for next month. So if you don't want to hear, just close your eyes and close your ears for a minute. So the August sneak peek is a real hair makeup treat, and it's either an incredible bronzer or a goddess highlighter, and you get to log in and pick which one you get. That usually comes like a week before, 2 weeks before they start posting them. You get an email, I think, that tells you to log in and pick, but that is our August sneak peek. So reaching into our box, the first thing that I've picked out is the Kingsley Body Building Shampoo for fine, limp or flyaway hair types. Now I have heard amazing thing about Kingsley products, and this is a nice sort of sample size, 20 mils, so I'd get a couple of uses out of this with it being shampoo. So I'm really excited to try a Kingsley product. Let's have a little read. So it says, nobody wants lackluster hair. It is our crowning glory after all. So it's a good job we have this volume boosting shampoo enhanced with keratin, proteins and natural cellulose. It improves your hair's strength and condition as well as thickening the appearance of each individual strand. Massage into wet hair, create a lather, rinse and follow with conditioner. And it said, did you know Philip Kingsley coined the phrase bad hair day? A little bit of trivia there for you. So I'm quite excited to try this. I do wish the conditioner came with it. It is a smaller sample size, so I feel like they could have put the conditioner in. And the full size product is £20. Birchbox sort of annoyingly don't put the value of the sample in the book, which like Glossybox does, for example. But when I do the prices, I always just look at how many mils are in the full product and work it out. So when you see the price on screen, that's how I've done it. Let's see if it has a smell. I mean, it is exciting. They are quite a high up brand, so it's exciting to try, but I wish there was the conditioner because you can't get the full experience. It has a slight smell. It smells nice, maybe slightly fruity. I am not the best with smells. But yeah, I am excited to try that. Just wish it came with a conditioner. So reaching into the box, the next product I've picked out is our choice product for this month, and it is the Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw, and I've got mine in the shade Mocha Balm. You could get it in hot pink, but I already have it in hot pink, which I think I got in another subscription box at some point. So we have got the 10ml size, and that is a sample size because I think the normal one is this size, which is 25ml. But yeah, I picked this one because I didn't need another one. So let's have a read. So it says, if you already love the hydrating benefits of the original Dr. Pawpaw balm, then you're in luck. This little tube contains all the good stuff that the classic formula has, with a hint of colour. Yes, thanks to the natural pawpaw, it's just as hydrating as a clear balm, but this one adds a pretty pop of colour to the cheeks and lips. And it says, cool, if you love a natural look, then apply sparingly. So let's give it a little swatch, and I can swatch my pink one for you, so you know what that looks like if you've got that one coming. So it's just got a little usual lip balm applicator. Get some on my finger, and it's really quite brown, like a chocolatey brown. And yeah, oh, just rub it in a little bit because you obviously wouldn't be using it that intensely, but it's just a really nice brown balm. Like, I don't have any brown lip balms. I've got a pink lip balm on, which I believe I got in Birchbox, or maybe I got this in Rockerbox, but it's the colour changing one that I got a couple of months ago, so I've got that on at the moment, but I don't have any kind of like brown lip balm. So when you give that a really good rub in, that's the kind of colour that it comes out. And I will show you my pink one as well for comparison. This one, funnily enough, doesn't come with a lip balm applicator. I am looking at the right product, aren't I? It's the same thing, multi-purpose soothing balm. Yeah, it's the same thing. So this one is hot pink, like hot pink, and does come out super pink. So there you go, you can see the two shades. I'm going to take all this off my hand because I'm super sticky now. But yeah, this is a nice product. It's nice that it's multi-purpose, that you can use it for your lips or your cheeks. I personally don't think I'd use this on my cheek. Is it sticky? I did say I was sticky just then, but I meant I've got like product everywhere. It doesn't feel sticky. I hate sticky feeling things on my lips. So I wouldn't use this as a cheek colour for blush. I could maybe use it as a bit of a bronzer, but I think I would just stick to using this on my lips, which is what I've done with this one. So again, great to see this in here, but it would be nice if it was a bit bigger, but still happy to have it. So the next product is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Now, I am excited about this because this is a product that I've actually really been wanting to try. I love anything watermelon scented. I love anything fruit scented, to be honest, and so I really wanted to try this. Let's give it a little sniff. I can definitely smell the watermelon in there. So it's just like a clear primer that feels so hydrating. It reminds me of the feeling I get from the Glow Recipe watermelon sleeping mask. Yeah, it smells really good. It's got these little black bits in. I'm going to see if I can get one out to see if they like rub in or or not. So I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but there's little black dots, and they do dissolve as you rub in, so they're not actually watermelon seeds. They're not the easiest to get to dissolve, but they have just disappeared. But that feels really lightweight and moisturising and smells amazing. So let's read about this. So it says, infused with watermelon, this unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear and added glow. With witch hazel extract, niacinamide, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, oof, this primer helps to brighten and refine pores, while the watermelon extract droplets combat hydration. Dehydration. So it says, plus the water-based and vegan formula smooths skin without the use of silicones. This sounds amazing. Like, I know, I don't know that much about skincare, but I use hyaluronic acid every day to help with my dry skin. And I'm hearing more and more about niacinamide. And it's a product that I'm quite interested in trying. I think it is meant to help with sort of any breakouts. I'm not 100% sure, but I have heard. Should we just look it up? Okay, so I'm looking at the Ordinary's niacinamide, and it says, a dream come true for oily skin. This potent serum targets breakouts, minimises pores and decongests confused complexions by regulating sebum production. So the reason I'm interested in it is because I have dry skin, but it seems to get oily throughout the day, which is really confusing. So that's why I've been kind of thinking about trying it. So I'm glad that that is in here. And I'm really excited to try this, especially if it makes me smell like a watermelon. So the next product that I've pulled out is the Polar Sun Lotion SPF 50. Now, I received this product in a recent Look Fantastic. I think it was the June box where they did like, it was quite like sun themed. So we had this, and we had like a SPF lip balm and that sort of thing. So this is a duplicate product across the subscription boxes, which seems to be happening quite a lot at the moment. But this is one that I don't mind because it's a product that you're going to just use up quite quickly. It is 20 mils. So if you're going to use this on your whole body, you're gonna use it up quickly. So not the most exciting product. Very, very handy. Like, I love that I can just chuck this in a little handbag and have it there in case of emergencies. But sun cream's not the most exciting, and the fact that it's a duplicate product is not that great, but I'll make good use of it anyway. So let's have a read. So it says, we love a multitasker, especially during the summer. This velvety formula offers high UVA and UVB protection, fighting sunburn and premature aging. Water resistant, light and non-greasy. It spreads easily and is suitable for sensitive and sunburn prone skin. I didn't mess up any words. I feel like I just need a little round of applause for that. And at the bottom it says, cool. This sun fluid is formulated without perfume to ensure good tolerance by all skin types. So great to have, super, super useful, super, super handy. I will use every drop of this. It's just not the most exciting. But yeah, I'm glad to have it. So the last product that I've pulled out of the box is a Beauty Pro coconut infused sheet mask with coconut, mushroom and red algae. I don't know how I feel about mushroom, but it's a sheet mask that is to help with anti-aging and nourishment. Now, I love sheet masks. I have a great collection going on, so I am never mad at a sheet mask. We do seem to get a sheet mask in most subscription boxes at the moment, but I actually love that because I love trying out new sheet masks and I love having as many as I can on hand. So I'm actually really happy with this. So let's have a look at what it says. So it says, say hello to calm, nourished skin with this luxurious coconut infused sheet mask with vitamin E and essential amino acids. This mask will help to lock moisture into the skin for a fresh dewy glow. It says, did you know coconut oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits, and this helps to repair the skin's natural barrier. So this is right up my alley. I love coconut products. I don't like eating like coconut other than Bounties, and actually like coconut curries. Like, I love a good korma, a little sidetrack, but I think it's like desiccated coconut like that I don't like, but then I like Bounties. This is the whole thing where I don't like tomatoes, but I like tomato based pastas. Like, it's, yeah, ignore everything I just said. I like coconut in skincare. It always feels really moisturising and nice on the skin. So I'm really happy with this. And this is a full size product, and this is £4.95. So not the most expensive, but definitely up there for a sheet mask. So at the end of these videos, I like to just do a little recap of all the products and add up the prices. Obviously, I need to go and go away and work out the price equivalents of these smaller sample sizes. So I'll do that on the screen for you in editing. But just to remind you what we got the Philip Kingsley Bodybuilding Shampoo, the Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Balm, the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, the Polar 50 SPF Sun Cream, and the Beauty Pro Coconut Infused Sheet Mask. Now I'll add all that up for you as I said, and I'll put a total price somewhere on the screen for you, like magic. Let's do some magic, like magic. I'm feeling a bit cheesy today, so that we can see the total value. But looking back at the box, I am the most excited about the primer. I have wanted to try this for ages, so I'm really glad to have that. Excited for the sheet mask, excited to try the shampoo, though I wish I had the conditioner. Happy with the sun cream, super useful. It is a repeat product across the boxes, and yeah, this is okay. I'm not the biggest fan of these really thickly coloured lip balms. I really like the fact this is more of a lip stain, like it doesn't feel like I've got anything on my lips, but I'll definitely use it because I love a good lip balm. So a mixed box. There's a couple of products in there I'm really, really excited about. Not my favourite Birchbox, but definitely not my least favourite. So do let me know your thoughts below. Are you subscribed to Birchbox? Are you excited about this one? Has this made you want to sign up? As I said, all the details are down below if it has. Or is this making you think, I'm glad I'm not subscribed this month. This isn't the box for me. I do love hearing from you. So I think that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.